I need to speak with you about something very important today about your indoor air quality and your air conditioning efficiency. And that's changing your central air unit filter. You won't believe how much cleaner the air you breathe is going to be once you complete this simple little task. Another perk is your air conditioner is going to run much more efficiently and save you money in the long run. So whether you're a seasoned DIY pro or you're a simple beginner, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get to it. It's easier than you think. The very first thing you need to do is turn off your air conditioner because you don't want it running while you open it up to change the filter. Then go into your attic because this is more than likely where your air conditioner unit will be. Here is the monster I'm dealing with. It's pretty intimidating, but don't be scared by it. Then locate your air conditioner filter. It's probably a long, narrow little door that is held in with a little spring tension clips, and then slide your old filter out. This is the back side of it, and you're thinking, wow, that's dirty. Well, look at this. That's the front side that's taking in the air. This filter hadn't been changed out in over a year, so just keep that in mind. Now, I'm using an Aprilaire Clean Air 210 version of the air filter, and the first thing I notice is, wow, how pretty this is. It's so clean. Now, the side that has all the little wire mesh, that's the back side, and the side that doesn't is where the air is coming into. Notice the difference. This filter, like I said, was over a year old, and this is the new filter. What a difference. Now, you're going to have little arrows that tell you the direction of the air. Make sure you line that up properly. I'll put a link for this product in the description below so you can check that out if you'd like. Now, installing the new one, once again, double check making sure your airflow direction is correct. And then I have little guides, little tracks that this attaches to on the top and bottom. Slide your filter in and then just pop the little door back on and you're pretty much done with the installation. Now, I like to also include a little date on a sticky note of when I changed the filter so that I can manage my changes out. Now, I also like to put the old filter back in the package to kind of keep all of the dust and grime at a minimum. I don't want that flying around. Now, some people would think the job's done, but it's not, because you need to go to the air intake and clean that out really well. Sweep it out, dust it out, vacuum it out, because you're going to have a lot of dirt and debris that's just hanging around there. You'll see in this video, you see how the dust is flying. After you're finished cleaning that out, go ahead and close the vents nice and securely. Then turn your air conditioner system back on and you're done. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other DIY videos I have on my DIY playlist. I'll see you next time.